Schwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe review. Today I have the JuJuBe MBoss Ziggy Dr. BFF bag here and it is amazing. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I just did an unboxing of this over on my Instagram yesterday and you guys voted overall that you wanted to see this video as soon as possible. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, I would love to see you over there. You can find me at kateschwanke. So the MBoss collection is actually new to JuJuBe. One of the things I love about it is this new embossed fabric, which feels super luxe. When I unboxed it yesterday, I was not expecting it to be as gorgeous as it was in person, and I didn't think I was gonna fall in love with this bag as much as I did so fast. In fact, I think that the embossed collection might be my second favorite. You guys know I'm obsessed with the Beyond collection. I love that vegan leather, but I think that the embossed collection is actually my new second favorite, especially this new color, Warm Sand. It is so pretty, you guys, in person. It's like a muted mauve. I think that's the best way I can explain it to you because it's kind of in between being a pinky, brownish, peachy purple. It is so hard to explain this color, but I love that they named it Warm Sand because when you look at it in person, you're like, yeah, I can see how that would be warm sand. It feels like that is like the perfect name for this color, but I love this color. It is so pretty. I can see this being used all year round, spring, summer, fall, and winter. I think this would be amazing. I also love that they paired this color with the rose gold hardware. That is so pretty together. If you're new to the embossed collection, it is just like all the other JuJuBe bags. They are machine washable. They have light colored linings. They have a Teflon fabric protector that repels stains, metal hardware, and an Aegon treated interior that resists germs. And as you guys saw in the very beginning part of this video, this bag can actually be worn a few ways, which I love. I love convertible bags, especially backpacks. So you can wear this bag with just the grab handle. This does fit into the crook of your arm nicely, as you guys saw. You can also use these gorgeous backpack straps, which, by the way, they used the Warm Sand color for the mesh, which I love. Usually JuJuBe will do like a black mesh here, and I'm obsessed with this. I am so happy that they did the same color as the bag. It is so pretty. I love it. You also have the option of using the messenger / shoulder strap. I do want to show you guys this print up close so you can see all those details. That's the Ziggy print. And I love it. I honestly did not think I was gonna like it as much as I did in person, and I think it's so gorgeous. Oh, and this is one of my favorite parts of this bag. You have 5 nice feet. Look at those. They keep your bag off the ground and clean. I love that they put one in the middle to help support it because I really do think this bag, it holds more than the BFF does. It's bigger and I believe it's a little bit taller, which by the way makes this bag just perfect for travel. I love the way it opens. It opens like a doctor bag, hence the name Dr. BFF. So when you do open it, you have access to your things easily. You have a nice wide opening so you can see everything. It packs nice and wide at the bottom and you can work your way up to the top. So this bag just has a ton going for it and I love it. So let's go ahead and start going over the outside before we jump onto the inside. So the Dr. BFF has 2 bottle pockets, elastic bottle pockets on the outside of the bag. Neither one are insulated. In fact, this bag does not have any insulated pockets, so keep that in mind. You have your 2 woven grab handle straps up top here, which makes it easy to grab and go out of your vehicle. You don't want to be grabbing on those backpack straps if you don't have to. You have a tech pocket up in the front here, a double zipper opening for the mommy pocket. This mommy pocket is huge. I love how much you can hold in it. You also have a nice long zippered pocket here for flat items if you want to keep receipts or park tickets and things like that in that pocket. On the back of the bag, you have some different things going on than the BFF, so I'm really excited to show you one of the new features that they've added for this bag. As I mentioned, you have these memory foam padded backpack straps, which are beautiful. You also have an interior pocket here. Let's see if I can show you guys that. I gotta get these straps out of the way. It looks like that. It kind of has this interesting lining on it. I'm not sure why they didn't put like 2 pieces of fabric there to make it cover up the white there. But anyways, this pocket goes all the way down. You could definitely fit a change pad back here if you wanted to, and any other things that are flat and maybe squishy so that it doesn't hurt your back, whatever you put in here. The other thing that I really, really like is this sleeve here, making this bag just perfect for travel. Look at that. This can slip down right over your suitcase handle and you can just tote it around the airport like that. So I love that. The other thing I wanted to show you guys was that this is how JuJuBe has done these D-rings up at the top here. You have 4 along the back. Instead of having your D-rings 1 on each side of the bag here for your messenger strap, you'll actually use the outer rings here for your messenger strap, and then you will use the 2 inner D-rings for your backpack straps. And one of the things I wanted to mention about these backpack straps is that they are fairly straight. They're not like those JuJuBe backpack straps that are more ergonomic. So I kind of like that though, because if you accidentally put one in the place of the other when you're changing them out, it doesn't matter. They are still the same. But this bag is really comfortable even though these straps aren't ergonomic. If you don't want to use your backpack straps, they easily remove. You just unhook them from the top and the bottom of the bag, and you can store them in any of the pockets in this bag. So now that we've gone over the outside of the bag features, let's go ahead and unpack this bag and see what I have inside. So let's start with the bottle pockets. On this side here, I have my sunglasses down in there. I just have them in one of my sunglass sleeves. That's all I had in that pocket over there. On this side, I have a 17-ounce Swell bottle. One of the things I really like about these pockets is that they're nice and wide so they can accommodate larger drinks. So if you had a Swell Traveler bottle or if you had a sippy cup, they could definitely fit into these pockets. So that's what I had in that one. Now let's go through the front here. In the tech pocket here, I have my iPhone 11 Max Pro, and I have that just straight up and down in this pocket here. This pocket is not wide, but it is deep. As you can see, this is not a small phone. This is one of the larger sizes, and it fits just perfectly in there. Easy to close. So I was really happy about that. And it is felt lined, just like all the JuJuBe tech pockets. I don't have anything in this front zippered pocket, but as I mentioned before, this is a great pocket to store things that are flat, like receipts or park tickets. Let's go ahead and go through the mommy pocket. So this is the mommy pocket of the Dr. BFF. You have nice smooth zippers. This is how I have it packed up. I don't have a ton of stuff. You guys know that I like to pack minimalistically, but I do love this lining on this bag. It's kind of like a peachy cream, which I think really complements this color, as well as the rose gold hardware. It is so pretty. I absolutely love this print. So in the mommy pocket, you have 2 elastic mesh pockets here with the coordinating color for the lining. And you also have a key fob. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. I love JuJuBe's key fobs. I think they are just so necessary for me. Makes it easy for me to grab my keys and go. So I kind of like to just keep my keys always on the right-hand pocket over here for easy access. You also have a elastic pocket over here, and you have a zippered pocket right here that I've just kind of left open so that I can easily access my things. On this side here, I have a Limea brand small piece from the Trifecta. This is in the iced latte color. I actually thought this color looks really good with this print. And in here, I just have my wallet and my vaccination card. I found that vaccination card is so big, it doesn't actually fit in my normal wallet. This is the wallet I like to use. This is the JuJuBe Coffee Break wallet from the Beyond collection in the vanilla color. I wanted to mention the vanilla color looks amazing with this print as well. So I did pair a couple of things in this bag with that color. So that was my wallet. In this zippered pocket here, and just see if I can show you guys that pocket a little bit better. That's what it looks like. I just have a small set piece down in there, and I have it in the warm sand color. I love the B set in this color. So I have a lip gloss, chapstick, a panty liner, some hand cream, a mirror, and a folding hairbrush down in there as well. Those are just some things that I like to have on hand just in case I need them, and I like to have them where I can access them easily. So that was the zippered pocket there. In the other pocket here, this is not a mesh pocket like these back ones here. It's like that satiny lining of the bag. So in here, I just have a couple things. I have a pack of tissues, and I also have my hand sanitizer holder from the Beyond collection. This one's from my 24/7 tote. And if you didn't watch my 24/7 tote video, I will link it right here for you guys. So you can go check it out. But this little hand sanitizer is so cute. I love that I can pull it off of my bags and just put them into my other JuJuBe bag. And that's all that I had in this pocket, but you can see that it's a good sized mommy pocket. And one of the things I really like about the mommy pocket on this bag is that it kind of protrudes out from the bag a little bit in this way. Do you see how it comes out and then it comes down? So narrower at the bottom, wider at the top. Now, one thing to keep in mind with this bag though, with the mommy pocket, is if you get it too full and you don't have enough in your bag will actually like lean forward and fall over. This bag can tend to get a little front heavy if you don't have enough stuff in it. So now that we've gone over the outside of the bag, let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. So this is what the top of the Dr. BFF looks like. You have your straps that you can just crisscross or leave up like that. To access your bag, you're going to open it like this. And you have two different options actually with these zipper pulls. You have the tails that you can leave out, or you can go for a cleaner look and tuck the tails inside. And I will show you guys that in just a second. But you have a double zipper opening. These zippers just literally go straight across. But because I have my tails tucked in, they kind of went a little bit downwards. But it doesn't interfere. You can still open your bag just as wide. Here are the tails here. If you want them out, you just push them through. If you want them in, you just stick them inside. But this is how it opens. I love, love, love how it opens. You have tons of room. I actually even had even more room. I could have put a couple jackets on top here if I needed to. So that's one of the reasons I said this bag is really great for winter as well, because it has the extra room on top for coats and things if you need them. So it opens like a doctor's bag. So this is how I have it packed up. You have 5 elastic pockets inside of this bag. You have 2 on this side, 1 on each side. Neither of those are insulated. And then you have 1 larger pocket in the front here, which I'm not sure if you guys can see that across the front here. I did want to mention too, you actually get a couple of different things included with this bag. One of them you don't actually have with the BFF, and that is these included stroller straps. So you would loop this part over your stroller, pull it through like this, and then hook your bag onto it with these hooks. So I really love that they included that with this bag. It's a nice extra touch that the BFF doesn't offer. So that is awesome. You also have this gorgeous memory foam change pad that is included. Look how pretty that is. I love that it has the print on it because the Beyond collection only offers the black one. So I've kind of missed having the printed change pads. It's really pretty. So that is included with your bag. And they do actually have a pocket made specifically for that on the inside of the bag, which I like too, but I did not use it because we are past potty training, so we don't need those anymore. All right, now let's go ahead and go through this bag. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go through this front pocket first. So in here I actually have the front pouch to the JuJuBe 24/7 tote from the Beyond collection. I love that you can pull this out of the bag and use it as a pouch in your diaper bags, or as a clutch if you wanted to. So in here I'm actually just using this kind of as like a diaper changing station. Not that I have diapers anymore, but we just have a wet bag here, and I also have some wipes. So this is just a cleaner looking way of storing those, and this pocket in the front here is just the perfect size to hold this. So I love using that as a little diaper clutch. So that was the front pocket. This backs up to the mommy pocket. I'm gonna go ahead and go through the inner portion next. So in here I have my son's Kindle Fire 7. This has all educational games on it. So when we're out and about and we get stuck somewhere, he can play this and just keep his cool. And I will keep mine if he keeps his. In front of that, I have my JuJuBe large set piece in warm sand. So pretty, I love this print. In here, I just have a change of clothes for my son. So I have some underwear, a t-shirt rolled up in there, and some pants for him. Next to that, I have my son's snacks. I also have one in here for me. And this is the medium set piece. In here, I have a Go-Go Squeeze, yogurt raisins, a little granola bar for him. By the way, these are really good. I've been eating a couple of them. They are really good. And then I also have some almonds for me. Let's go through those bottle pockets next. So on this side, I have my son's water in this Camelback cup. I love these. I've never had any issues with these leaking. So that's what I've got for him for a drink. Now, believe it or not, the rest of the things that I have in here are actually for Emma, my puppy, because I tend to take her with me everywhere. So I like to have a couple things on hand when she's with us. So in the other bottle pocket over here, I actually have her little treats, and I have them here in a little system, a container. It's just a perfect way to store those. In the back pockets here, I have one of her toys. She absolutely is obsessed with her lamb chop. And then on this pocket here, I actually have her leash, and this is a rope leash from Caveology. It's beautiful. I love this one. It's an ombre leash that starts out pink and gradually turns to peach. It's really pretty, I love it. And I do have a discount code for Caveology if anybody would like to use that code to go shopping. Use code Emma and it'll save you 10% on Caveology. And I also have her little baggie dispenser here as well. So besides those interior pockets, you also have a zippered pocket on the back here. I don't have anything in there, but it is a nice, deep, but flat pocket. It's also a good place to store your wallet and things if you wanted to. But that is how the bag looks like on the inside. As you can tell, you just have tons of space. And once again, I love how it opens. I would love to hear what your favorite thing about the new Dr. BFF bag is. I'm just obsessed with it all the way around. I love it. I can't really pick anything in particular that I love the most, but I do really love how it opens. I think that is really neat. If you guys are looking to purchase the Dr. BFF in Warm Sands or any other JuJuBe bag, I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below and you can shop through there anytime. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!